A very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. As you all know that Independence Day is coming, so in this video we are going to make this tricolor badge. So let's just start. The material we required are the colorful sheets of 3 colors, orange, green and white, pair of scissors, eraser, pencil, sketch, glue. Now the first step is take any kind of round object and make a small circle and one heart on white sheet like this. Cut it. Children, be careful while using the scissors. Please don't hurt yourself. Slowly cut the shape like this. Cut them separately like circle and heart I am doing. Look at this. Slowly and neatly you have to cut. Very nice. And here we have different colors of hearts, orange, green and white, and 2 circles. One is big circle and small circle. Take a big circle and spread the glue on it. Slowly, don't take it out. After doing this, you have to take the heart shape and fold it like this. Look at this carefully. After this, take one more shape and fold it again. Now, first of all, place one on the circle like this and then take the other one, open it, and you have to put one petal down and one on the above side like this. Now you have to follow this same procedure to complete this. So slowly and neatly cover this white circle with the colorful petals like this. Fold it and place it. Again I am telling you, remember students, one petal should be under the other one like this. Very nice. Do it slowly and carefully. Place it. I am using only these 3 colors because this is a national tricolor badge we are making. Okay? Again I am telling you, you have to place one under the other one like this and paste it properly. Now take green sheet. Very nice. Repeat it again and again and complete this flower with the help of these colorful hearts. Okay? See, I have completed this. Now press it properly. Very nice. Take this small circle and paste it between this flower. Carefully and press it properly. Okay? Our flower is ready. Now with the help of blue sketch pen we have to draw a wheel. Remember, draw 24 lines on this white circle as our national flag is also having the same. Very nice. In Hindi we call it chakra. See, okay? It is a small representative of our national flag. Now to make it a badge, we have to take some strips, tricolor strips, you know. Look at this. I am having 6 strips. You have to join 3 strips together, like put some Fevicol here and then paste the white one, and after that place the green one like this. Look at this carefully, like this. Now again put some glue on it and paste it on the flower like this. Remember kids, you have to place these strips on the back side of the flower. And here the batch is ready. Look at this. Is this recognizing our national flag? With this we have completed it. Happy Independence Day to you and your family. Bye and have a nice day.